Welcome back to my channel. Hey, so I had no intentions on purchasing anything, at least not for a while. Then Cinco de Mayo happened, and Eden Bodyworks was like, hey, all of our products are $5. Obviously, I cleaned up, so I got a few products from their new Papaya Castor line. Today I'm going to be using the Eden Bodyworks Papaya Castor Foam Conditioner. This is a sulfate-free vitamin blend styling conditioner for smoother, softer hair. In addition to being sulfate-free, it has no mineral oils, no dyes. It's also cruelty-free and is made in the USA. This claims to reduce frizz and tame flyaways. Directions say to generously apply on damp hair, shaft down to ends. Do not rinse. This is an 8-ounce container. I'll be sure to leave the ingredients to the foam conditioner in the description box. Again, I got this during the Eden Cinco de Mayo sale, and this was $5. I think the regular price of this is around $9.25. This collection is not in store just yet, but Eden is pretty reasonably priced and their shipping was reasonable as well. So, of course, if you feel like you want to jump on that, go right ahead. In conjunction with the foam conditioner, I have the Papaya Castor Nourishing Curl Jam. The Nourishing Curl Jam is described as a styling and conditioning moisturizing jelly for textured and or curly hair. Claims to smooth, sleek styling and a light hold. This says to apply to hair and style. So, interested in seeing the texture of this. This looks like a curl cream. It's been in the 80s. So, my hair is freshly washed and conditioned and it's dripping down my neck. But I'm going to go ahead and take this little messy bun down, section my hair how I want to wear it, and go ahead and apply the foam conditioner and the Curl Nourish Jam. So I already parted my hair how I want to wear it and sectioned off a workable section so I can go ahead and start applying the product. So I'm going to start off with the foam conditioner. Oh, she was ready. So it's a foam. It smells super good. This feels like a mousse, not like a conditioner. I also feel like I used entirely too much, but yeah, this feels moussey. This doesn't feel conditioning at all. And I'm gonna take some of this out. Nothing here. So it smells really nice, nice tropical scent. I'm assuming that that's how papaya smells. The slip isn't really there. Fortunately, my hair was already detangled. I'm gonna wipe off this excess foaminess. It is kind of clumping my curls together, but as you can see, it's like super lightweight. Again, this looks like a curl cream. It feels like one too. I can feel the oils in there. I will say it does have a little bit of a tackiness to it. Just a little bit. The slip is a lot better with that than with that foam conditioner. And this has a little more weight to it, so this might actually do something here. Okay. Okay, here's the thing. This is not bad, but I don't think this is going to be wash and go material. So I'm going to turn this into a braid out effective immediately, because this is just not the time nor the place to experiment, because I have to be to work in the morning. I'm going to go ahead and continue using the products, but it doesn't have the weight that I need for it to have for a wash and go. And I am not finna play myself. And maybe I'll try this on dry or damp hair. That might work a little better. But with all of this water in my hair right now, like, I just don't see that being successful. And I just don't have the time. I'm also going to dab some of this excess product out because I have to go to work in the morning. No ma'am, no ham, no spam. So because I'm doing this on freshly washed hair, I'm gonna do slightly smaller sections so I can get better definition. And so it'll last So check this out. I've done 2 braids with the foam conditioner and the curl jam already. I'm using entirely too much foam. Been using about 3 pumps. I'm gonna take it down to 1 because that's how much kickback I'm getting to where I have to dab it with a towel to get the excess product out. So I am going to go down to 1 pump of the foam conditioner because 3 is entirely too much. Go light-handed with the foam because water only makes it foam up even more. So 1 pump. Look at that. That's plenty. My hair is more than saturated with it with that 1 pump. It's all over the strands. That is more than enough product. I'm gonna go more heavy-handed with the curl jam because that is the product that's actually supposed to give us definition and hold. A light hold, but a hold. So yeah, that's plenty. Even with that 1 pump, like look how much product is coming out of this braid. It's just obnoxious at this point. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair, show you what it looks like once it's all braided, and then come back for the takedown. You know, I'm almost finished braiding my hair, and I just want to pause and say that I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we've come this far, and we'll see, child. Okay, so I finished applying the foam conditioner and the Nourishing curl jam. Again, this was not going to be a good look for a wash and go for me, and I'm really disappointed about that. I can't afford to take that extra day to experiment with this foam conditioner. So far, not loving it. I have to say that it doesn't feel very hydrating to the hair. It didn't really have any slip. It felt like I was applying a mousse, but like, you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of that Prickly Pear Paradise cleansing foam from Main Choice. It was really like stripping to my hair, and it tangled my hair, and I had that same experience with this. So we'll see if when it dries down my hair still feels soft and hydrated, but so far I'm not really loving it. I can say the Nourishing curl jam, I do think I kind of like this. I didn't use a lot, and I was pretty heavy-handed with it. It feels like a curl cream. I was thinking it was going to be more of like a custard. Super, super hydrating, and it felt really slippery, and I can feel the oils in it. It's a curl cream, and I use it on soaking wet hair. I don't see this being a long-lasting braid out. I do think that I'll get some good moisture and definition. I don't see the braid out lasting for more than a day. I'm not necessarily against braiding every day. I just would prefer not to. So once these dry, I'm going to come back for the takedown and give you my final thoughts. Hey guys, so I didn't even bother to film an outro to this video because my hair came out exactly as expected. I will say that I will not be using the conditioning foam as a leave-in again. I may entertain using it as a styler in the future on damp to dry hair, just like I would any other foam. As far as the curl jam, my hair was soft and moisturized and defined. However, it does give a light hold like it said. So I did have to re-braid my hair. But please let me know if you guys have tried this line or if you're interested in trying it. Be sure to drop down in the comments, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.